Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your home. So, this is class 3rd, subject English, book. We are going to read P.C. Wren's Grammar. This is chapter number 1, Sentences. We are learning about sentences today, and this is our term 1 work. So, let's get started. Before moving to our chapter, we need to understand the meaning of sentences. A group of words that makes complete sense. सेंटेंसेस को हिंदी में वाक्य कहते हैं. इट मीन्स शब्दों का वह समूह जिससे हमें कुछ मतलब समझ में आता हो, जिससे कुछ मतलब निकलता हो, उन्हें सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. लेट्स टेक सम एग्जाम्पल हियर ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. Teacher father is my a. The group of words which are given here does not making any sense. Teacher father is my a. No sense. When we rearrange these words into my father is a teacher, yes, it is making a sense. My father is a teacher. इस वाक्य को पढ़कर हमें कुछ मतलब समझ में आ रहा है. That means this is a correct sentence. Let's see to next one. Sanya garden plays in the. It is again not making any sense. Sanya plays in the garden. Yes, this group of word making a sense. So this is a correct sentence. I hope you all understood. In this chapter, we are going to learn about types of sentences. There are 3 types of sentences we are going to learn in this chapter. First is statement sentences. Statement sentences जिनको हम declarative and affirmative sentences भी कहते हैं, जो सिर्फ हमें किसी बात का पता लगवाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, जिनको हम क्वेश्चन सेंटेंसेस भी कहते हैं, जिसमें एट द एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस, जिन सेंटेंसेस में नो, नॉट, नेवर, डोंट, डजंट आता हो, उन्हें नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. सो आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स प्रोसीड विद आवर चैप्टर. Student, now come to page number 9, chapter number 1, sentences. We have to read the following sentences given in our chapter. You have to read it with me. This cup is blue. What is your name? I see stars in the sky. My cat loves to play. Uncle Tom painted his house. So, these group of words making sense, so they are called sentences. See, given here, these are called sentences as they are a group of words that have some meaning. Some meaning is coming out of from these sentences, so they are called sentences. So now come to definition of sentence. As we have already read, that group of words that make complete sense when put together. वो sentences जिन्हें बोलने में, समझने में, सुनने में कुछ मतलब निकलता हो, उन्हें sentences कहते हैं. शब्दों का वह समूह जिससे हमें कुछ मतलब समझ में आए, उन्हें sentences कहते हैं. For that we have to keep some points in our mind to understand sentences is that a sentence must begin with a capital letter. शुरुआत जो है सेंटेंस की, इट मस्ट बी विद कैपिटल लेटर्स. इट मस्ट हैव अ सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है सेंटेंस में, वो होना चाहिए. इट मस्ट हैव कॉमास. कॉमास इफ नीडेड, अगर नीड है उस सेंटेंस में कॉमास की, फुल स्टॉप की, अदर सच मार्क्स करेक्ट प्लेसेस पे होने चाहिए. एंड दैट सेंटेंस मस्ट मेक अ सेंस. उस सेंटेंस से कुछ मतलब निकलता हो, कुछ सेंस निकलता हो, अदरवाइज सेंटेंस सेंटेंस नहीं कहलाता. सो दीज आर द वर्ड्स वी हैव टू कीप in our mind while learning about sentences. Now come to note, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. We all know that it must begin with a capital letter and often ends with a full stop. और ज़्यादातर जो सेंटेंस है वो फुल स्टॉप से, इफ़ इट इज़ अ अफर्मेटिव और स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस, इट एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप. And if it is interrogative sentence, it ends with question mark. Such marks are called punctuation marks. ऐसे जो marks हैं वो punctuation marks कहलाते हैं. I hope you all understood. Now come to page number 10, exercise number 1. This is your homework. This exercise you must have to do in your homework. This is very easy exercise. Arrange the group of words given in correct order, then write the sentences in the given space. One has been done for you. See, the group of words are given, but they are not arranging correctly. We have to arrange them in a correct way. Your homework must do regularly you. The group of words, they are not making any sense. कोई मतलब नहीं निकल रहा है इन वर्ड से. हमें इन्हें अरेंज करके ऐसे लगाना है जिससे कि इन सेंटेंस में से मतलब निकले. सो दिस इज योर होमवर्क. Okay, students, now come to page number 11. Questions. Compare the two columns and note the difference between a statement and a question. We are given two types of sentences, statement sentences and question sentences. We just need to read it. आप सबको भी इन्हें read करना है correctly. Rama is clever. This is statement sentence. Is Rama clever? This is interrogative sentence, means it is asking question. They are cousins. They are saying us that they are cousins. They are telling us. Are they cousins? Now in this sentence, they are asking us, are they cousins? They are asking questions. So like this, you have to read all the sentences and differentiate between a statement sentence and a question statement sentence. Students, now come to exercise 2. In the following sentences, tick those which ask question. It means we are given some sentences, we have to find out whether they are interrogative sentences or they are statement sentences. So we have to find out how we can find out. If the sentence is starting with WH family, means when, where, what, why, which. If the sentences start with WH word, it means they are asking question. It means they are interrogative sentences. So what do you do? तुम क्या करते हो? Yes, they are asking question. So take this one. Some of the sums are hard. कुछ सम्स मुश्किल है. They are telling us, not asking. So we cannot take this. Show me how to work out this sum. This is also not interrogative sentence. They are not asking any question in this sentence. Now come to page number 12. Which is your desk? Yes. This sentence is starting with WH family and ends with question mark. So which is your desk? तुम्हारा desk कौन सा है? This is, he is asking question in this. So we have to take it. This is my desk. He is not asking any question. He is telling that this is my desk. Open the door. This is also not a question. Is it locked up? Yes. It is ending with question mark. So this is question. Is it locked up? No, it is not locked up. Again, it is not a question sentence. It is only telling. It is answering that it is not locked up. Who made that noise? WH family word and ends with question mark. So we have to take it. Come here, Krishna. It is also not a question sentence. It is asking him to come. It is telling him to come. So we cannot take it. Have a look on definition of interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. वो वाक्य जिनमें कोई प्रश्न पूछा जाता है वो इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहलाते हैं. इट एंड्स इन अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. वी ऑल नो दैट द क्वेश्चन sentences ends with question mark and starts with, most of the time, often it starts with WH family word. So I hope you all understood. Now come to making questions. Usually questions start with one of the following words. I have just told you that WH family word, often they start the question, they start asking question. Who, when, why, where, what, how, which. Here are some examples of questions. Where are you going tomorrow? See, it starts with WH family word and ends with question mark. So, it is asking a question. How many children are there in your class? It is also starting with WH family. Yes, how is also included in WH family and ends in question mark. So this is also a question. Why do you like cricket so much? तुम्हें इतना क्रिकेट क्यों पसंद है? Why and question mark. पहचान इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस की कि WH फैमिली से स्टार्ट होगा एंड एंड्स विद क्वेश्चन मार्क. हु इज एट द डोर? दरवाजे पे कौन है? व्हाट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट वे टू योर स्कूल? सबसे छोटा रास्ता कौन सा है स्कूल के लिए? व्हेन विल यू कम? WH family and ends with question mark. Which is your favorite cartoon? I hope you all understood. By reading these sentences, you get to know about the interrogative sentences. They starts often with WHO, who, when, why, where, what, how, which, and ends with question mark. So I hope you can easily recognize interrogative sentences now. Students, now come to exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with correct question words in the sentences given below. We are given some sentences here, and what we have understood just before, that how to recognize interrogative sentences. So what we have to do in these sentences, we have to fill WH family word here in these sentences to complete interrogative sentences. So I hope you all can do this easily. This is also your homework. So exercise 1 and exercise 3 is your homework. If any question arises, if any problem arises, I'll be there to share. I'll be there to discuss it with you again. But first, you have to do it yourself. Before coming to exercise 4, I want you to have a look on short forms और कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स भी कहते हैं हम इन्हें. ये वर्ब्स हैं, इनकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स ऐसे होती हैं. आर नॉट को हम आरंट भी कहते हैं. एम नॉट, एंट, आरंट भी कहते हैं हम इसे. इज नॉट, इजंट. Likewise, when we say do not, we can say don't. This is also correct. I have, I've. Could not, couldn't. So we can say it like this also. These are the short forms of these verbs. So we need to learn the short forms, because in exercise number 4 we have to do the short forms also. So I hope you all understood. Okay students, now come to page number 13, exercise 4. See the note alongside and frame interrogative and negative sentences from the following statements. One has been done for you. We are given some sentences here. We have to change them into interrogative sentence and then interrogative negative, and then the helping verb we have to change it in short form. For example, he is clever is given. He is clever. We have to change into interrogative. हमें इसे क्वेश्चन की फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब हमें स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस में दी होगी उसी की हेल्प से हमें इसको इंटेरोगेटिव यानी कि क्वेश्चन में चेंज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज क्लेवर इज गिवन, सो इज विल कम first. Is he clever? Is he clever? And then question mark. It changes into interrogative. Is he not clever? When not comes here, it automatically changes into interrogative negative. And we have to make a short form of is he not, isn't, is he not, isn't he clever. We have to change the is he not into short form of isn't he clever. This is very easy. Again, a question. Now you are an American. The sentence is given, you are an American. We have to change into interrogative. How we write? Are, because helping verb comes first. Are you an American? And question marks comes here. Then we have to change this sentence into negative. Are you not? When not comes here, it changes into interrogative negative. Are you not an American? And question marks comes automatically because they are asking question. Then we have to change are you not into short form. Aren't you? Aren't you an American? And question mark. So this is again a easy question for you. I hope you all understood. I am making you doing in the class. Next is I am a bowler. I am a bowler. See, helping verb comes here. Am I, in interrogative sentences, helping verb comes first. Am I a bowler? This change into question. Do not forget to put question mark at the end because this is a question sentence, interrogative sentence. So we have to put question mark at the end. Am I a bowler? Now come to interrogative negative. Am I not a bowler? Question mark. Now we have to change this into short form. Aren't I? Am I not? Short form is aren't I? Aren't I a bowler? And question mark. Nobody will get confused between am I not and aren't I because aren't I is a short form of am I not. So we will write here aren't I a bowler. Now come to next one. They are Indians. Helping verb comes first. Are they Indians? Now we have to change into interrogative negative. Are they Indians? Are they not Indians? Are they not Indians? क्या वो इंडियंस नहीं है? Now we have to change are they not into aren't they because this is a short form of are they not. Aren't they Indians? Aren't they Indians? Question mark. Now come to next. He is idle. वो खाली है. So helping verb is he idle? Question mark. Now change into interrogative negative. Is he not idle? क्या वो खाली नहीं है? What is the short form of is he not? Isn't he? Isn't he idle? Idle means खाली. So I hope आपको यहाँ तक समझ आया होगा. Now this one is very easy. It is pretty. It is pretty. So we can change into is it pretty? Is it pretty? Question mark. Now interrogative negative question mark plus negative होना चाहिए. Is he? Is it not pretty? क्या ये सुंदर नहीं है? Now short form of is it not. Isn't it? Isn't it pretty? Now come to G. She is a good singer. They are saying she is a good singer. We have to change into interrogative. Is she a good singer? Is she a good singer? And question mark. Now change into interrogative negative. Is she not? When not comes here, it changes into negative. Is she not a good singer? Question mark. And we have to change it into short form. Is she not? I have already told you. Isn't she a good singer? Question mark. Now come to next. Polo is my favorite game. मेरा फेवरेट गेम पोलो है. लेकिन अगर मैं इसको क्वेश्चन मार्क में चेंज करूँगी तो क्वेश्चन होगा क्या पोलो मेरा फेवरेट गेम है. सो हाउ कैन वी चेंज इट. इज़ पोलो माई फेवरेट गेम. फेवरेट गेम. Question mark. Then I change into interrogative negative. Is polo not my favorite game? Favorite game. And question mark. Now you have to change into short form. Isn't polo my favorite game? Question mark. Do not forget to put question mark at the end in the interrogative sentences. Otherwise, it will not be considered as an interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences नहीं माना जाएगा अगर आपने question mark नहीं लगाया तो. That boy is dull. That boy is dull. They are saying कि वो boy dull है. Now we have to change into interrogative. Is that boy dull? क्या वो लड़का सच में डल है? क्या वो लड़का डल नहीं है? Is that boy not dull? question mark. Now change into short form of is that boy. Isn't that boy dull? Isn't that boy dull? Now come to this is a very clever trick. This is a very clever trick. How we can change into interrogative? Is this a very clever trick? क्या ये सच में clever trick है? Now we have to change into interrogative negative. Is this not a very clever trick? Not comes into interrogative negative. Question mark. Now change into short form of is not. Isn't it a very clever trick? So students, this is it for this class now. You have to do exercise number 1 and 3 as your homework. I'll see you in another class. Till then, be safe, wash your hands regularly, take care of yourself. Bye bye.